Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the FMD Furniture Rotating Shelf in a stunning imitation oak finish, a versatile and stylish addition to any room. This rotating shelf is crafted with high scratch resistance, thanks to its durable melamine resin coating, ensuring it remains a beautiful centerpiece for years to come. Made in Germany, this shelf comes with all the necessary components, including assembly instructions, although please note that English language instructions are not guaranteed. The graphic assembly instructions will guide you step by step, making it easy to transform this disassembled, box-packed item into your new favorite piece of furniture. While the decoration materials shown are not included, the shelf itself offers ample space to showcase your personal style. Whether you're looking to organize books, display decorative items, or simply add a touch of elegance to your space, this rotating shelf is the perfect solution. Don't miss the chance to elevate your home decor with this exceptional piece of German craftsmanship. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.